Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is my weekly Christmas project shares with Scrap Diva Designs. Head on over to scrapdivadesigns.com. Check it all out. Be sure to click the link below to see all of the links. And also for a discount code, it's V10%. That's VEE10 and the percent sign. So let's get on into it. We have so much to share. So every month, scrapdivadesigns.com has a new release of craft dies. How awesome is it that every month there's a new die? My recommendations is to get the dies as soon as you can because they do go fast. And that way you don't have to wait for a restock or a possible sold out permanently. First, I'm going to start off with the Christmas cheer word dies and the flowers. Let's get into the word die sets here. Here I have them here. So here are all of the sentiments. What you do get in the sentiments, they have holiday greetings, Christmas squad, Santa's elf, happy, seasons cheer, helper north, presents, and pole. And let's go ahead and look. This is how I decorated them. Let's see a few here. And what I did is I added some holly berries to the corners of each word piece. And I also added some gems from Buttons Galore and More. As you can see them, I was contemplating on either pink or red, so I ended up going with red. But this would look amazing in pink, and mint would look so beautiful. I wanted to do that. However, I went with this glittered red. The camera's not picking it up. It's kind of picking it up as red orange. However, the glitter is from Michaels. It's, I believe they're open cardstock. If not, it's going to be the paper packs. But yeah. I just love how they turned out, just a different type of sentiment, and you get so many in the pack. Moving on to the flowers. I made so many of these flowers. However, I've been using them up. I also gifted some. So these are the flowers I made, and this is it. Here it's called the Poinsettia Flower Die Set, and here it is right here. And let's move that to the side for a minute and look at the flowers here. Let me pick them up. So I did make a green, a pink, and a navy. And I'm using the Vicky Bouton Peppermint Kisses collection to make these. And the centers are from Michaels. They're the flat backs that come in the recollection containers. And I just love how they turned out. So those are the flowers. Okay, moving on to the 3D chocolate gift box. There it is there. And you get all of these pieces. I made mine a little different. I wanted desperately to put a window in here. However, I also wanted this organza ribbon, and I believe this is the 1 inch, no, it's a 1.5 inch wide organza ribbon, and I picked it up from Amazon. Added some jingles here, added some charms up on the candy cane. It says Merry Christmas. I also stitched the ephemera pieces there. And as you can see, the hint of the border here. So here's the border that I use, and it's just a hint of it. It's in the glittered white colored cardstock, and I believe I picked that up from Hobby Lobby or Michaels. But let's go ahead and open this. I have not opened it, so you do have to unwrap the ribbon in order to open it. I just thought it was such a cute box. I lined all sides, and you get that included in the die set. So let's go ahead and open it. So this will come off as soon as I unravel this, and you could leave it so that way it doesn't get lost, but it unties here. And it's just a different way of having a closure on the box. And so it would open like so. And then you could retrieve the gift from inside. So how neat is that? And then I did add some flat backs that were gifted to me and a while ago. And so all you do is just tighten it up. It's all glued down, so this part can't come off. And then you just tie it up and you're all set to go. And you have the cutest candy box. And not only that, it's perfect for stocking stuffer, which I will be using for that. I will put in some gifts. You could possibly even squeeze in a tie for Grandpa. You could put a watch. You could put a necklace, candy in here. Possibly, if you fold your socks properly, you can stuff them in. Maybe some kid socks, not adult socks, but kid socks can go in there. I love this box. I will definitely be using that again. That's going to be one of my staples. And you will see that again. Okay. Oh, I forgot to mention, it does come with a sentiment, and it says sweet treat. So you can also put chocolate, so I forgot to say that. It's definitely for a chocolate bar, but okay, so next one is let's move this one aside. $3D gift purse. So the 3D gift purse, I don't know what I did with the back. Oh yeah. So this was in the back of it with some candy canes, and the candy canes are part of a group swap that I'm in, so they are gone. Those candy canes are gone. So what I did add is added some things that people have been gifting me. So I added this cute tree that the Pink 8 Marissa made for me in a personal swap, as well as this flower piece here that she gifted me in a personal swap. So this is the purse here, and I just love how it turned out. It's also using the Vicky Bouton Peppermint Kisses collection. I did add this tassel here from the collection as well. I added some charms and some jingle here. And in the collection, you get these pieces here. They're like an acetate paper clip, and I just love them because you could tack them on to anything. Here I have a charm and a bead, as you can see. I also snuck in a bead right here, and I did some wire wrapping on that. And then I added these flat backs for Michael's. I also did some stitching on the ephemera pieces, as you can see. And then there is that scenery in the back. I just love how it turned out. And what you were not able to see in the Instagram pictures and reels was I added one of these paper clips in the back, and you can't see it unless you pull everything out. And there's a paper clip as well. In the back is a charm. You can't see it as well, but Santa's hiding back there. So that is my box that I made, and this is going to be a staple as well, because you know we always join those group swaps, and this is perfect to stick everything in that you need to send off that group swap. So definitely a staple. I will be using that in a group swap. So these are all the pieces. I forgot to share with you all of the pieces. So you do get the base, you get the lining for the box, you get the bottom. You also get these pine cones here, and I made pine cones, I believe 2 years ago, and I will put it up here, but you can kind of get the gist of what these pine cones will look like. You also get some sprigs, some pine needles, and some bells. So those are such cute pieces. I did add manufactured bells instead of these bells, but you could definitely add those bells. So let's move on, and we're almost done here. The last one is the shaker glow. Oh, you know what? I need to get that one there. So it is the shaker, the heart shaker. And this is it. I use the Sugar Plum Wishes by Paige Evans, created by American Crafts. And I just love how it turned out as well. I did add a bit of Vicky Bouton right here, these green hollyberry leaves are Vicky Bouton, as well as the flower. So there's the flower that I made. So as you can see, the poinsettia looks like that, and how it's decorated is so cute. I also used these ball embellishments from Buttons Galore and More, and I also included those ball embellishments in the shaker. So you can see I'm going to flip it upside down. So they're inside with all of the sequins. Let's move all that sequins out. I should have added more. That way it didn't all go to the bottom. But added these charms here from Amazon. I added a loop right here to the left side to hold my charms. And I added a little Gingy back there. It comes in the collection. And I just love how it turned out as well. It's so fun. It also comes, so let's go ahead and go over it. I'm missing a piece, but there is a label piece where you're able to put down here, which isn't here. However, if there's a picture on the website, I will add it up in the corner here. If not, then yeah, there's a label there. It's about that big, and it's the same shape as this here, just a little smaller. You also get a shaker heart die right here, so you could use hearts instead. This would be amazing for Valentine's as well. So definitely something to think about. So the last project that I made is this here. This one is the wine bottle box, and I just love how it turned out. I have a picture up here as well. I added some candy canes that I made, and those are off to a group swap, so I ended up adding some tags inside. But there is a pocket right here that's holding this ephemera piece here, and I'm just using it for decorative purposes, but you could definitely sneak in something in there if you want to do that. So you could put this on a bottle, or you can also add it to your swap projects, and it would be great as a embellishment for one of your projects that has been wrapped. But also I'm using the Vicky Boutons, and I just love the collection. It's so cute. I love the colors. You also get navy in this collection, which is really, as you can see, navy. Oh my goodness. You get reds, you get traditionals, and you get the pink Christmas as well. So you guys, this concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed all of these projects, and head on over to scrapdivadesigns.com. Check out what's available. If I inspired you in any way, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to share your projects. And that is it, you guys. I will see you in the next video.